Yeah, so we are ready. So we will proceed with our session today. I think those who have those who wanted to join have already joined. So yes, welcome back once again to another learning session. As announced in the group, we will have this session on super trailing SL only. I hope all of you, those who have joined this video session, have already watched the video which I uploaded on YouTube. So this basically will be a continuation of that video that we have uploaded on YouTube. So yeah, let's move back. Let's move back to the chart. Let's move back to the chart of FSL itself. I am presenting my screen. So this basically is going to be more like a query answer session, where we will attend all the queries that you will have or you have after watching the video which was uploaded. And further, there were some queries regarding how to use this trailing stop loss, super trend trailing stop loss on intraday basis. So first of all, we will look into that matter on how to use this super trend on intraday basis, and then we will move on to the query on answer session, and accordingly we will proceed. So the video that was uploaded on YouTube is basically for swing and positional trade. So all those who are taking positional and swing trade with us in the Telegram, so that super trend trailing asset is basically for them only. So now move back to our chart. So we will see how to use this. Is my screen visual? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So we are here on this trading view chart. So we will see how to use this on intraday basis. I have already explained that how we can use this on for swing and positional trades. So now let us see how we can use this in intraday cases. For example, as I have already mentioned that for swing and positional trades, we will use the 3-hour chart, right? We will use the 3-hour chart, and our setting will be 10 and 2.5 in general we will use. However, the default setting is 10 and 3, right? However, for swing purposes and positional purposes, we will use our setting as 10 and 2.3. However, in case of intraday, for intraday trailing stop loss, we will use the default setting of 10 and 3, right? We are not changing any settings in this super trend indicator. We will use the default setting. And what is important here is that we will use 5 minutes chart in case of intraday trades. We will use 5 minutes chart only. I hope this is clear. We will use the 5 minutes chart only, and we will follow super trend trailing SL on the 5 minutes chart only. Now, many of them were not able to understand that what is this trailing stop loss. Actually, the trailing stop loss is this line. Super trend line is actually your trailing stop loss. Many were not able to understand in the video that, sir, what is the trailing stop loss actually. This line is basically your trailing stop loss. Once this line is breached on a closing basis means this line will change into red. Then we will have to execute our trade or exit our trade, whatever the case may be. So in case of intraday trades, we will use this 5 minutes chart, and nothing will be different. Everything will be same as it has been explained in the video itself. So I think there is nothing more to explain on this intraday setup. Intraday setup, we will use the same logic, same concept. Only difference is that we'll use the 5 minutes chart after the trade has been executed. So basically, we move to the query and answer session. One by one, you can answer me your queries, and I will try to explain you. Further, another thing I would like to announce that many people have commented on the YouTube videos that so please explain the videos in Hindi. Last video which was uploaded on YouTube itself, I received comment that sir please make the video in English, and therefore I switched on to English. But now I am receiving comments that please sir please explain the video in Hindi. So there has been a means very much confusion about what to follow. So from next video, I think I would come up with videos in Hindi itself, and I will provide a caption, or I will provide a detailed, I will provide a script along with the video, so that those who don't understand Hindi can definitely look into the scripts and understand the video. We will also try to add subtitles to the video, so that those who want to understand in English can definitely benefit from the video. Further, we will also do a poll in this regard. What would be the best way to come up with the video, right? So okay, we will move to the query and answer session. So one by one, you can you can ask your queries, and then I will move it accordingly.
Hey Mukunda, can I ask?
Yeah, yeah.
Question now? Yeah. So okay, can you go back to the same graph,
Yes, yes,
which
sure.
we are referring to FSL? So if you
Yes.
see, so I had one doubt. Supertrend works. I mean, it. What I understood is Supertrend works
Yeah.
fine when the market is in trend. Okay.
Yes,
But
yes.
in the screen, if you look at the end of the graph, there is small buy signal, and which ends by with a sell signal again. So
Okay.
at 2 o'clock, 14 hours,
Yes.
there is a buy signal, right?
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
yeah. So how to
So
avoid taking that
yeah,
buy signal?
actually, I have understood your query. You simply want to understand, sir, what to do when the market or when
Market
the
is
stock
sideways
is
in
in
range,
sideways. Yes.
in range bound. Yeah.
Yes. So the actual point here is we initiate our trade only when we see a trend in a stock. Is that true or not? When do we enter a stock, or when do we when do we buy a stock? When we
Yeah.
see
When we see in a trend.
yeah, when we see it in a trend, or when we expect a good move in that stock, right? So once we have entered the stock, once we have entered we have taken the trade, we are waiting with the stop loss that is given in the channel, right? I generally follow, I generally give you the buy signal with a buy price along with the stop loss and target, first target and second target. So what you have to do is you have to wait for the first target along with the SL that is given by me itself. As means, till the stock reaches its first target, you have to follow the stop loss that is provided by me only.
Got it.
Only after the stock achieves its first target, you have to follow this trailing stop loss, super trend trailing stop loss. Till the stock has not achieved my first target, you have to follow the stop loss that is provided by me only. You don't have to go with this super trend trailing stop loss concept. You will wait for the first target to be achieved, and thereafter you can follow this super trend trailing stop loss. So even after that, if the stock is in consolidation, you will blindly follow this super trading SF. There is no issue. It will obviously uh, this super trend trailing stop loss will work even in those cases also. Not an issue.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, hello, Mukund. This is Shyam here. I still
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
understand one question. So, for example, in this chart here, you see
Yes.
a green line at the bottom. It's trying to bridge this candle. Uh, See, there is a red line at the top. Actually, so it became a sell somewhere at 2 o'clock.
You
Right?
can present your skin. If you want to ask your query, you can also present your skin. There is no issue. We are ready to accept that also. You can present your screen. You can explain with your own charts. We are ready to answer with that also. Not an issue.
Okay, I don't. Yeah, is my question understandable here? I
Or
mean,
tell the time. Tell the.
yeah, at roughly at 140, right? 1340.
140.
Yeah, so the green line started almost touching the red candle, right?
Okay.
Roughly at 2 o'clock. So at that point
Yes.
of time, we should probably sell. That's what does it mean? So if
See, suppose now let me tell you. Suppose we have started. We have executed our trade here. Okay. Suppose we have started executed our trade here.
okay,
No, no. Let's move to the actual trade that was given. FSL was given on 117, right? I hope you all remember. FSL was given on 117. Let's move back. Here, come here. So FSL was given on this breakout. You see, yes, FSL was given on this breakout when it broke out. The just one thing you should remember, that the call is not being given on the basis of super trend. I'm repeating this. The call is not being given on the basis of super trend by yourself. The call is being given by me only on the basis of my own analysis. This super trend is basically a super trend trailing stop loss is basically to help you trail your stop loss. There is no entry or exit rule. I'm not explaining this concept to take entry and exit in any particular stock. I'm repeating this. This is not meant for entering or exiting a stock. I am basically explaining this concept, or this concept is to be used just for trailing your stop loss. Fine. And once you have executed your trade, and once the first target has been achieved, then only you will use this trailing stop loss concept for taking an exit. You can say you can use this trading super trend trailing stop loss for taking an exit out of this trade. But for initiation of this trade, we are not using super trend. So now, when I'm coming to this point, the trade
Yep,
was
it's
executed
very
on
clear.
117, right? The trade was given on 117. So now, can you please tell me what is your query? So, Shyam,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
repeat the query here?
yeah. Now on this chart, for example,
Yes.
so this is going to get updated every minute, right? So which means I need to update my alerts that I insert in, say, 0 or somewhere. I have to keep on changing my alert levels, or how do I keep following this? Because stop loss is not a constant now. It is just changing in real time, and I can't be at the chart all the time finding where I should take an exit.
So no. So it's yes. So in that case, for those who cannot stay with the chart continuously. So so what you can do is, whenever you have time, whenever you see this chart, and whenever you find this, obviously whenever you get time and you will see this chart, you will see this trailing stop loss, right? So if you get a 5 minutes time or 10 minutes time, whenever you get time, whenever you see this trailing stop loss, you will simply trail your stop loss to this level, and you have to do nothing. If you don't see it, obviously the obviously the stop loss will be as entered by you earlier. Means if it was given, suppose the stop loss was given in this case, it was given at 98. So you have put your stop loss at the initiation, put your stop loss at 98, right? But after one day, you see this chart again, and you find that the trailing stop loss has moved to, suppose, 1121. So you simply trail your stop loss to 121, right? Again, you see this after one day, and you see this the trailing stop loss. Suppose I'm just switching over to 2 3 candles, but this is simply to explain you. Suppose you see this chart again at this level, so you will simply trail your stop loss to 129. There is nothing to bother about. You see whatever you see here, you simply trail it. You don't have to continuously watch the chart. Whatever you see the trailing stop loss, you trail it. There is no issue.
So for example, here at what is this time? On May 12th, I think. Oops. So your chart is gone.
Sorry. Wait a minute.
Yeah. On maybe May 12th or something, there's a green candle that has touched this line. Does that mean that's where
Yes.
you should have exited? If the stop loss was set here, it would have exited, right?
Yes. No, I have told you one thing, that we don't have to exit our trade on spikes. This is a clean example of a spike touching the trend line, touching the super trend trailing itself. But the close is clearly, you can see that the close is already above this trend line. This trend line, this super trend trailing stop loss, this super trend signal has not changed into sell on a closing basis. You have to wait for a closing basis. You have to wait for this trend line to change into sell signal. But you can see this has not changed. Obviously, during a live market, this will change. But you will have to wait for a 3 hours candle close. 3 hours candle
Okay.
close, and wait for this signal to change. During live market, when there will be a spike, this will continuously change into buy sell. But you will have to wait. And if it is, and if it
Hey, after asking question, can you
after
mute?
the close, yes, next
हाँ
one.
भाई आप explain
Hello,
करो.
Mukund. Mukund, I had a doubt, Abhijit here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello,
Mukund,
Abhijit. Tell me.
I wanted to ask that you have kept it as 2.3. I think in the YouTube video you had asked us to put that 2.5. Am I right?
Yeah, I have asked to put 2.5 already. We will use 2.5. We will not use 3. We will
Okay,
use
so
2.5
this was
only.
my first doubt, and second was this: what that? So basically, the entire concept is that when you begin to see the green line is the buy signal, and when you see that the line is beginning at red, you sell. Like this is the
Yes.
basic point of super trend, right?
This concept is, if you follow super indicator, if you follow super trend indicator for a buy sell signal. So for those who follow super trend indicator for taking a buy or sell signal, for them this works perfectly. But I
Okay.
don't follow super trend for taking any call or for initiating any trade. I
Got
simply
it.
use this super trend for trailing a stop loss.
All right, got it. But in range, what I'm
and
saying is
and
the basic is this only, right? Matlab, you buy at green, you sell at red, like.
Yes, the basic is this.
Okay.
Many user or many investor in this market use super trend indicator for initiating trade or executing for exiting a trade. So they follow this only. When this tells them to buy, they buy it, and when it tells to sell, they sell it.
Got it. Thank you so much, Mohan.
Yeah, welcome. Next, any next.
So what do you advise? Do you advise setting alerts every day, updating alerts? I mean, how do we efficiently track this? Assuming we can't really spend real time on charts. So do we go every day, check the chart, and update our alerts? And
No. That's not the case. That's not the case. You don't have. If you don't have time, I am telling you, if you don't have time, follow the stop loss which I am giving you, and whenever you get time, you trail it. Suppose after market hours also you get this, you get some time, right? After market hours, obviously you will get some time. You just see this chart. Obviously, you will get a trailing stop loss. You simply change your stop loss to this level. You don't have to give enough time to this. You don't have to continuously watch it. Whenever you see this chart, you simply have to trail your stop loss. Nothing else. There is nothing. There is no more time to allot.
and one other important thing is we should not enter stop loss in zerodha, for example, right? Because if we execute it even on a spike.
Spikes, yes, you don't have to. You have to put your alert. You can
Okay.
put your alert on these levels. So whenever there is alert, you are signal that the price is around your stop loss level. So at that time you can simply watch it.
Okay. And that time we should manually exit the trade rather than putting a stop loss in the trade.
You can simply put a message in our Telegram group said that the stock is around our stop loss, whether we should hold on this price.
Okay.
In that case, you can simply put it,
Okay.
and I will reply. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Any other query?
One other thing is that, like just like does a volume play any role for this when there is a close to
Obviously, volume plays a very crucial role. For example, now simply you see this. You simply see this chart only. You are seeing this continuously. The FSL stock is in sideways mode, but you see this green candle, a very beautiful green candle, has been formed with a good volume. You see this, and the next candle again, there is a very beautiful candle, green candle with a very good volume. This suggests that buyers are accumulating at this particular level. This is a very good signal. This is a very good signal that buyers are accumulating these stocks at these levels. So it obviously gives you means confidence that you can obviously trade this stock at this particular level. Volume is obviously a very good indicator uh, that boosts your confidence when you initiate a trade or when you take a trade. Any other query? Hello? Am I not getting any sound? Hello?
You're audible, but maybe
Okay.
you're audible.
So okay, I think no one has a query. For example, now let me explain some few more things.
Hello, Mukund sir. Actually, I have some query. I'm Shivang Modi.
Yeah. Okay,
Sir,
tell me.
actually, at last week, you give a call of a century ply at 4:55, right?
Yes.
And at that time, you had suggest the stop loss at 430. So it goes below the 430, and you say that stop loss, it should be bounced back, and should be the stop loss should be 415, right? So it based on the super trend only. Can you please see the chart of the Century Ply?
Yeah, yeah. I'm just opening that one. Wait.
Because I also see the green big candle for a buying at super trend at 3 hour chart for a swing trade, right, or a positional view.
Okay, so this is the chart, right?
Yeah,
And this was the spike. And I told you to wait with the closing stop loss, closing day stop loss. The closing day stop loss was 430, and then I moved it to 415, right?
yeah, yeah,
So this, you can see this big green candle, right? So I am
yeah,
waiting for this price to breach this particular level. That's why I have given you a closing basis stop loss of 415. I want the sellers to breach this buying level because I am seeing that there is some buying here. There is also some buying here with good volumes. So for those who can take risk, they can also wait with the stop loss of 405. This is also a very good level. I think there has been a very good consolidation on this particular price level. So
yeah.
that can also be a very good stop loss. But for those who don't or who cannot take big risk, for them I have given this 415 level as a stop loss on closing basis only.
Okay.
I don't I have not followed this super trend yet, right? Because this is the initiation of trade. I have not got our first target. We have to follow this super trend only after we get our first target to trail our stop.
Yeah. But as we can see the chart of a 3 hour, and by using the super trend, there is only a buyer that's not a selling option. That's why I'm asking that we have followed that super trend here only.
Okay, fine. Let me see with this. Yeah, what
See,
do you want to
yeah.
say here?
Here I say the buying is at something at the big green candle you can see at 3 hour chart.
This one,
No, 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 the starting one at something 400 level. A
400.
constant a constant green line. You can see left side. You can move that chart left side.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, yeah, this one.
So you want to be you want your stop loss to here at 398.
No, no, no. I'm just asking that here we are using a super trend by exiting
No, no,
a
no.
stop loss.
No. I'm not using this super trend here. We are simply using super trend for trailing stop loss. There is no other use of this super trend. I'm not using. I'm not using, and I'm not emphasizing to use that for any other purposes.
Oh, okay, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Mm.
Hi Mukund, Amit here. I have a question here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
tell me.
on the same chart, if you see, there is a big
Yes,
green
yes.
candle on the same chart. Okay.
This chart.
Yeah, the same chart where you are right now. Okay. So if you go up, you can see there is a huge buying. Okay. Definitely, it's not a retail buy. That is somewhere around 12th of July. You can see there was a
12th
good
of
price
July.
move. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This one, right?
Yeah. This one is the first one. Then you go ahead and you will see the other one. Another volume. Yeah, volume. You see, there's a good volume buy. Okay. So definitely, it's not a retail investor. It's someone, smart money. Then if you go ahead, you see a red candle. Okay.
Yeah. Very
And we can
good. Yeah.
yeah 26 में 26 के बाद
Yes.
okay
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
So we can easily see there was a continuous selling pressure, but ultimately bulls pulled the market, and eventually bear won the situation, but it was a close battle. Okay, we can see it's a good volume of selling, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
how would we know exactly how many volumes have been sold and how many volumes would have been bought?
Bye.
Because it only shows that ultimately bear won or bull won, but it never shows what was the percentage of the volume, uh, because if
That
this
you will never
this
know.
never know, huh? Okay.
Yeah. That you cannot decide, or that
So
you will never know.
this much of bulk selling can also be an indicator, that the trend will be reversal, even though the subsequent.
Obviously, obviously you need to see this. That is why I have told you to strictly follow the stop loss. I would have asked because see, I have seen this. Obviously, the stock. I don't find anything wrong with this stock. Fundamentally, this is very good company. But
Uh-huh.
seeing this volume or seeing this very good very red candle and with very good volume, obviously negative volume,
Uh-huh.
or the price continuously decreasing with a good volume seen on the negative means red volume seen on this chart.
Mhm.
I have simply asked you to follow a strict stop loss
Strict
because
stop, okay.
no one knows where the price will change or where the
Correct.
trend will change. So you
Because-
have to be strict with your stop loss.
If this much of selling has happened, definitely there's a reason, and it's not a retail investor who can move, market like this. Then let's say I bought it on 12th, okay, just
Yes.
before the big green candle, and our target was of somewhere around 430. Okay, we met our first target, and after that, you will ask us to follow the this SL as a stop loss.
Yes,
Yeah, super trend as a stop loss.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So what I can see, still my stop loss has not been hit, and even though the price has moved below my first target,
Yes,
so I am supposed to hold it patiently, right? Patiently.
obviously.
Okay.
That is why I have told you, na,
Mhm.
the best stop loss in this particular case is this 400 level, because you can see this there is a very beautiful consolidation at a level of 400.
Mhm.
400 and 405 levels. There is a beautiful
Right.
consolidation.
Yeah,
So
right.
the best stop loss for this script would be 400 levels. But this depends on the risk appetite of the investor,
The
right?
trader,
But
yeah.
since we had executed our trade, at a level of 440 or 430 something,
Mhm.
435 or 445 something.
Uh-huh.
So we obviously have to follow a reasonable stop loss. We cannot follow a stop loss which will eat chunk of our capital. Even
Okay.
if we have to face the loss, we are ready to face the loss. We will take a new trade, obviously, but
Okay.
we will not lose a vast chunk of the capital. That is the main thing
The
I
ultimate goal.
follow in my trades. Yes,
Right.
we have to limit our risk and we have to maximize our profits. There is no issue in taking another trade, but there is obviously issue in losing a vast chunk of your capital.
Okay. Sure. Thank you for answering.
Yeah. Any other query? Next query, please.
Mukund, I was asking the best way to use super trend for a swing or positional trade for exit point 3 hours, right? Time frame.
Sorry, I did not get you. Please repeat.
The best time frame to use for exiting a trade using super trend is 3 hours.
See, obviously the risk will change if you change this. That is what that is what I wanted to explain you. That this, if you change this chart, no, the risk will change. Obviously, if you change this chart, if you change this multiplier, your risk will change accordingly.
Got it.
So it
Got it.
depends. Again, it depends on the investor, how much risk they can take. For example, if you see, if we move this chart on a daily basis and then follow this super trend trailing stop loss. No, let's move to FSL. Yeah, let's move to FSL. Okay, now see this daily chart. This daily chart, if you are trailing stop loss, this chart, if you have bought this FSL at 34 levels, this trailing stop loss has never given you an exit, and the stock has completely rallied from that level only, and it has never came back, or it has never seen back. It is just simply flying and flying. You can simply see see a stop loss hitting here just for a few days only, and then after again it gave you a buy signal, and the price is continuously moving. So it obviously depends on the risk appetite of the investor. If there are long-term investors or who generally can wait for more, obviously they can follow this daily chart using this super trailing stop loss indicator on a daily chart. For those who are long-term investors, obviously they can wait. There is no issue. But obviously this will increase their risk.
Okay. So
This will increase the trailing stop.
so we should have
Okay.
exited here. Right.
Acha, Mukund, this
I hope-
buy and sell which you have written, these patches buy sell.
No. This indicator will change automatically into buy and sell. I don't do anything.
I think it's a custom indicator. You can use Pine script to write this.
Because
Yes,
in
obviously.
Jakarta, it doesn't come like this.
No, I'll tell you.
Jyoga,
Yeah, Mukul, please go
I
ahead.
see.
Sorry.
Yeah. See, you see this indicator, right? I am going with this indicator, and I am typing super trend. See this. If we click this built-in indicator of super trend, we will not get this buy and sell signal.
Okay.
But I was using this super trend by Kivan or Bajbeljek. He has simply
Okay, got
used this
it.
Pine editor to. He has used this editor to mention this buy and sell signal. he has simply edited. He has made some. He has done some coding, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So,
it's
which is
because
showing
I
this
was
buy and sell signal. That's why I've given you this. Simply gives you a nice feeling, buy and sell. So that is why I have not asked you to use this built-in indicator, but I have asked you to use this super trend indicator by Kivan Oswalding, right? But this in Zerodha you will get this built-in super trend indicator, and you will not get this buy and sell signal. You will simply
Correct.
get a line of green and red.
so Mukul, I'll ask another set of questions. So here, this super 10, okay, it indicates that we have hit our stop loss, correct? And we
Right.
should exit from the trade now.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. So one indicator is also there. If you see the price drop, okay, the way it is dropping, it's definitely not by a retail. It's some big bull who is dropping the prices. If you see the steep drop in the price, so shall we also consider this always?
Actually, that you cannot always determine that the fall is
Mhm.
obviously always by the large investors. Sometimes
Okay.
it happens that if the large investors only want to buy a stock at a lower level, they will dip the stock by themselves only.
Okay.
They
Because
will dip
see,
the
mhm,
yeah,
to
they will
sell
dip
a
the
stock,
stock to accumulate more at the lower level.
okay, okay, mostly the operators, right? The operator game.
Yes, yes. Operator or the large players, if they want to buy a stock at lower level, what they will do? They will simply sell at a higher level. They will sell a small amount, and the price will simply fall. And seeing them, the small investors who will panic, they will also start selling, and the price will again fall to a larger
Mhm.
extent. And then again they will buy it, and those who were the small players, they are out of it, and again the larger players will take this price to a new level.
Yeah.
So they also do this strategy.
Because there is also one simple funda: the price drop always happens fast because it doesn't take any money. You just need to sell it. But
Yes.
to move price up, it takes money to buy the stocks, and it takes time to go up. It's not that
See,
fast as compared to sell.
building anything,
Mm-hmm.
whether it be anything,
Correct.
I'm telling you, building anything in this universe is a
Yes.
very
Got the point.
hardworking job. Yes,
Yeah.
but destructing or demolishing anything is too easy.
Right. 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 Got it. Got it, buddy.
Any other query? See, why I have this, why I have conducted this session, because I will be using this super trend trailing stop loss continuously in my trades.
Mhm.
Simply anyone will ask me, sir, what to do? I will simply tell you, follow super trend trailing stop loss. I will not tell anything. I will simply tell you this. That is why I have conducted this session, so that you are not left with any query, and you can simply trade. Once I have given my trade, you don't have any issues of holding or selling or doing what to do. You are left independent to judge the stock by yourself. That is why I have conducted this session. You can clear all your doubts. You can ask me the simplest one. I don't worry. I will answer each and everything. There is no issue. I have sufficient time. I would have conducted this session at 7 also. If it takes me 2-3 hours, I am ready to spare. I am giving you, but I want you to understand this concept completely. I don't want any query. Those who are attending this meeting, at least for them, I don't want any doubts to be left in their head. Please get it cleared now. I am ready to give you every detailed answer possible. Whatever I have, I can share.
हेलो हेलो नितिन, अब ये तो जो आपने बोला है तो वो तो फर्स्ट टारगेट के बाद ही उनको फॉलो करना है ना,
Yes, sir. Yes.
या पहले से?
फर्स्ट टारगेट जब मेरा आ जाएगा सर, उसके बाद ही आपको ये सुपर ट्रेंड फॉलो करना है। अदरवाइज आपको वो जो मेरा स्टॉप लॉस दिया हुआ रहेगा ट्रेडिंग चैनल में, आपको वही फॉलो करना है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
If why I have actually I have worked on this particular thing around last 2-3 months. Actually, I myself have noticed that I am giving you this much of it, but I myself have noticed that many of my calls are simply getting doubled, are simply getting 60%, 70%, and I myself asked you to exit that trade. And when I see those stocks flying thereafter also, I was simply worried. Why I have asked you. For example, Nitin Spinners, you see. Now let me take you to Nitin Spinners. I have many stock. I can simply share you
Yeah,
at least
Nitin
100 of
Spinners.
stocks. I can simply share you 100 of stocks shared in my channel, which I have exited or which we have booked our profits, but still they are flying. And had we followed this super trend trailing stop loss concept, we were in good profits without going anywhere. See again, you see this.
Yeah.
Do you see this Nathan Aspinall's chart? If you had taken, I would have given if you would have taken this entry at this level, breakout level, if this was a breakout, and if you had traded this and you followed, for those who are long term investors, and if you simply followed this super trend, it has not given you any exit. You are simply in it, and you don't have to do anything. You are simply watching this, and you are simply getting profits and profits and profits. Nothing to do, nothing to worry about. And obviously now, for those who are safe traders, you can simply move to this 3 hour chart. 3 hour chart also, you see there is no exit at all. There is no exit at all. So this is the beauty. Why do we move to another stock if a single stock is giving you all the profits? Why will we move to another stock? This stock has simply doubled. No, if we had taken this trade at 100 to 1 level, 1 to 1 level, this is now at 246, more than double. Why do we need to exit this trade? It is giving you more than 100% in just 1 month. Why will a person, why will a, means the dumbest of the traders, why will he exit this trade? I don't see any logic behind exiting this trade. So that's why I was working on this. I have worked, I have backtested this around 2-3 months, and then only I came up with this idea and I shared it with you all. So you can simply rely on this. You can also backtest. You can backtest with all those calls which I have posted in my trading channel, Telegram channel. You can also backtest this with your own calls, and you can simply comment or share it with me in the free group, or you can obviously directly share it with me. This is very beautiful, I think, and you all should benefit from this idea. Okay, moving to next query. Anyone else? Anyone else? Any query?
Okay. So, I'll ask anybody the audience paper part.
So actually, I'm not getting your voice clear. Hello.
Is it running fine now?
Yes, tell me.
Can you please go to the Orient paper chart? Because I posted some questions earlier, and I think you and Victor replied to me, but I did not get the satisfactory answer. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I saw a cup and handle in this, okay, and I chose to
Daily chart, weekly chart. What do what do you
try
want?
weekly,
Daily chart or
weekly, daily or weekly,
weekly?
anything. Yeah. Okay. So I can also share the snapshot. It is already in the group that we have, the discussion group, right? So I saw a cup with handle pattern forming in this one, starting somewhere around, yeah, I think this 30th March, maybe this one. Yeah, yeah, this is the one, I guess. Yeah.
This
So
one?
I'm a beginner.
This.
Okay, in technical charts I'm a beginner. Mostly I'm an
Okay.
investor. Okay, so I may be wrong. I saw such pattern, and I also saw some huge volume. You know, if you see the green volume, there's a huge
Yes,
volume.
yes.
So what I know is that someone is selling. Then I got a reply from Victor that, you know, there are better trades. You can leave this for the time being. You can enter it later on. And
Okay.
but then I saw this green volumes, and I thought, okay, let me, you know, put some money which I can, which I do not need at the moment, and I'll see it.
Okay.
So what Victor told was right. It did not move for a couple of
Yes.
weeks. I want to know, how did he identify it?
I, is there Victor in this group right now?
No, I do not know, but I think you know, I
So
posted a question.
let me ask him. I think he must have joined.
Because see, following a suggestion is another thing, but knowing is a real power. Okay.
But why Victor told you this? No, this that Victor might be knowing, right? must
Okay,
have
because
seen
I
at
thought
that
you guys
particular
you
time.
guys are maybe discussing pretty much, so that's why I thought maybe because you both are seasoned traders.
No, no, he is actually a foreigner.
Oh, okay. I thought. Sorry, then my bad.
Victor is a foreigner actually.
Uh-huh.
So we are very good friend right now.
Okay.
So we are so he must have seen something at that point of
Huh.
time. So he would have a. So you can simply message him directly.
Okay.
If you are not satisfied with any answer, you can simply directly message that, sir, I have a different
Mhm.
opinion.
Sure.
Can you please give us a more better clarification on why you have said this?
Okay.
Or
So another thing is, are you guys planning on having more knowledge sharing sessions? Because I would be happily joining that. Even I'm in the
yeah, we are
market for more
planning.
than a decade now, and
Oh, great, great.
so that's why. But earlier I
No,
was more of an investor. I started doing swing trades recently.
actually, I have I means I what I have understood after all these years is that doing swing and positional trade will give you more benefits. What I feel, if you do it diligently
Right.
and very
Right.
with patience and discipline, this swing and positional trade will give you more benefits, more return as compared to investment. Because simply what happens is a stock will not continuously move in an upward direction. Obviously, it will take a pause. Obviously, it will consolidate. Obviously, it will correct after a rally. So for all this time, when a stock is in consolidation, when the stock is in correction, why we will keep our money in that stock? There is no logic. There is obviously an opportunity cost that we are losing when a stock is in consolidation, when a stock is in correction. So obviously we can switch that money to a different stocks and we can get back to that particular stock again when the stock is in position to move, right?
Right. Right.
So that is why I have focused more on a swing basis. Sorry, more on a swing call, more on a positional call as compared to investment. I generally very I don't ask everyone to go on investment basis. I simply suggest them to manage their portfolio on a 2 months at least 2 months basis, to review their portfolio on a 2 months basis and switch to a different stock which is performing well.
You're right. I totally agree because there are so many stocks in my portfolio which I have been invested for many years now. For example, if you take
Yes.
the example of Reliance, so when I bought it back in
I would never
2015.
suggest as of now Reliance also.
No, no, not now, but let's see. You see, back in 2015 when I bought it, it got
Yes, yes,
split.
yes.
It got not split. It gave me bonus. So it was around 1500. Then after bonus, it came to 900. I accumulated more, and now it's at 2050, 20,
Yeah,
2000
it is
something.
around 2000 levels. Yes,
Right.
yes.
I don't see it daily on the daily basis, but yeah. So it's a good chunk of my portfolio, I would say. And in the longer run, if I see, it definitely gave me a very good, spectacular return. But there
Yes, yes.
had been so many days, where my money was stagnant.
Yes,
So that's
obviously.
why, I started swing trading now.
It is very necessary, if you have time, no. If people don't have time,
Mhm.
I won't suggest you, but if you have time, you should definitely go with swing and positional trades. That is the best thing you can do in this
Correct. And
market.
only if you have
And
some
this market
knowledge.
in the next, yes, yes, obviously with some knowledge, with some guidance, and with discipline and patience is the key thing you will require in this market to make a beautiful return.
Right. Right, buddy.
Any other query? If you don't have a query in this regard, you can ask me any related query. I am ready to answer. No issues. We are starting this group, premium group.
Uh,
Many of you, yeah,
Hi.
many
yeah.
of you are new. Yeah, tell me. Go on with your queries, one by one.
Okay, someone asked. Go ahead. I'll ask next.
Okay.
Hi, Mukund. This is Archana.
Yeah. Also,
So
okay.
trade, like you suggested, it has hit the
Yes.
target, the first target. After that,
Which one?
it's going downtrend. Okay.
Which one?
No, it's not in the chart. Just a query. It had hit the first target and it has started getting down. Okay. Even if the initial starting price is also breached and it is going below that also, we shouldn't sell the stock. Is that so? Following the super.
I didn't. You do you have a stock, or you are simply creating an example?
No, just an
Situation. That's just a situation. What
Okay,
would you?
she
I
is
mean,
creating a situation.
would that case arise,
Oh,
or
you said
what
you
should
said
we do
that
in that case?
no. Yes, let me answer him. Sorry. You said that the first target was met, right? And then again the price started dipping and it came back to the original level where we started the trade, right? Is
yes.
that true? Okay, so I told you that whenever our first target will is met, then after we have to follow the trailing stop loss. So obviously your trailing stop loss will be way higher than the initial level, as I feel. This super trend trailing stop loss will definitely be higher than your initial level, the start level. And once your first target is met, you will have to follow this super trend trailing stop loss, and obviously it will give you an exit if the price is dipping well before your entry level. I'm sure. I means I am 80 to 90% sure that you will. It means your price will not dip to the original level, or the super
Okay.
trend trailing stop loss will not be less than the original price.
But why don't you suggest the buying or selling option in the super trend? Is there any particular reason or something?
Uh, Repeat that. Can you please repeat that?
The super trend is itself is suggesting some buy or sell point in the charts, but your suggestions are a little bit different or a little bit later or before the
So
buying
see,
or selling point.
yes. This super trend indicator follows its own means own systems or own codes to give this buy and sell signal. But I follow my own ethics and on my own discipline analysis for giving a buy and sell signal. I don't believe this. I have actually means worked or researched with this super trend buy sell signal. I don't find that high accuracy in this particular indicator if we follow this super trend indicator for buying and selling a stock. The accuracy is not that good, so I don't follow this indicator.
Okay, can you give some tips on how to select a stock? Because should we have to go to different stocks, or there are hundreds and thousands, and even if we get the correct, we have to get in at the correct time at the.
Yes. No, so now I will tell you. I will let you. I will just show you. Just see this. This is my Zerodha means ID. I have my login ID and I have logged in. Yes, you will see this. I have this is my first watch list. You can see I have 50 stock, 50 by 50. We are second watch list. I have 50 by 50. Third watch list, you can again see we have 50 by 50 stocks. Fourth watch list, again I have 50 by 50 stocks. Fifth watch list, I have 50 by 50 stocks. I have told you that I am continuously monitoring 250 stocks under my radar. I am continuously watching this. Any move, if a stock is moving 2%, now I am seeing its chart. I am opening its chart and seeing what is happening. Why is this moving? What is the chart structure? So if I am observing all these charts continuously, obviously you can see getting 2 3 calls 5 calls are very good calls is not that difficult, right? And if you work hard, if you daily means if you filter out all this, I am saying that I am not stick with these 250 stocks. I continuously review all these stocks also. I add them, delete them wherever I find the chart structure is getting weak. I simply delete them and add new stocks which are potential. For example, this is the result season. I will continuously, I will keep adding all those stocks which are performing well, which are giving a very good result, and I will keep adding them. So I basically focus on all those stocks which are continuously growing, which are continuously giving good profit, which are continuously means growing their sales. So I generally follow those stocks which has a growth story. So those stocks generally tend to perform better than all those stocks which are not giving a very good result. So in the result season, I am continuously monitoring all the results also, and I keep on adding stocks which are giving good result. Suppose I take a stock which must be flying right now, but that the stock has given a very good result. This stock is flying. I might not get an entry at this particular level, but I still will have that stock in my watch list, and I will be continuously waiting for that stock to I will be continuously waiting for that stock to correct. Once a correction is done, I am continuously watching that stock. You will see that I generally follow that. I continuously watch its correction also, and then once the correction is complete, for example, PPL, you can see. Let's come to this chart of PPL. PPL, I have recommended in my Telegram stock that this can be a multi-bagger stock. I am trading this stock from 100 levels. I am trading this stock from almost around 100 levels. So you can see I am having this. You can see I will have this stock in my fifth watch list. Since I continuously monitor, I remember where a stock is in my watch list. So you can see this. I have this stock in my fifth watch list, PPL, and I continuously watch this stock. And you can see the stock was in correction, and I was waiting for this green canal formation. And I was waiting, and you can see that this green canal formation is with some better volume as compared to the last few volumes. You can see, and the result, you can see that result was declared means day before yesterday, I think, and the result is on a better side. So I think this stock can again do good. So obviously, when seeing this stock correcting, and you can see that this is a good support zone for this stock, and I am seeing a bounce here. I have given a buy call on this particular stock because I don't have any issue with this stock. I know this stock can perform well in the future. So I
What
am
is that
just
line?
waiting for.
The red line?
This is simply a moving averages. 50 day
50.
moving.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a 50 demo. Yeah. Any other query? I think I have answered your query, Archana.
Yes, Mukul, I have one.
Yeah.
Mukul, can you just open the charts of Birla Cable?
Birla, sure.
As you already told that if in the case of Nathan Spinners, if we didn't have good profits, we would be sitting in just now like big profits.
Yes.
But in the case of Birla chart, the stock is not moving from some time. Actually, I'm in profits of around I think 45% from my buying level.
Okay.
I have booked maybe 60% of my profits.
Okay. Okay.
The stock is in I think consolidation from
Yes.
I think 2-3 weeks.
Yes. Yes.
So what should I do now?
It is
Should
5
I-
weeks now. It is 5 weeks
Yes,
now
yes.
already.
Should I keep
Yes.
on holding this or I should invest in new stocks? Because
It
my
depends
stop
on your
loss.
view. Yeah. It depends on your holding appetite also. See, if you want, I have told you there are two things. If you are an investor, you should definitely bet. But if you are a positional trader, you are a swing trader, you will definitely not bet in this stock, and you will simply switch to a stock which is moving. That is a very general attitude. So it all depends on the attitude of the trader, whether you have a patience, whether you can wait for long, whether you have an attitude of an investor. And if you have
So
an attitude of an investor, you will see this daily chart, right? You
no,
will
I'm
see
a
this daily chart.
positional trader only.
Okay, so you are a person. Obviously, you can switch to a different stock. There is no issue.
And
But
there is
but
some
why
general
I'm
rule
not?
of waiting. So how much time should I have to wait?
You have to wait for your targets. The waiting time is not defined in this market.
Okay.
You simply what can be the right attitude is you simply decide how much target you want from a stock. You simply have to understand that what is your return, means how much return do you want from a stock, and if that stock has that potential to give you, you should definitely wait for that return. You should not go anywhere if that stock has that potential. If you know that stock can if that stock can perform, you simply should not go anywhere, because it will take time. A stock will take time, but if a stock takes time,
Yes, definitely.
the more a stock take times, and if the stock has potential, it will burst quickly into your targets, and you will never, means it will take day or two to move into your target. It will take months to consolidate, but when it will start moving, no, it will take you only 2-3 days to give all your targets. So obviously your patience will be tested in some stocks, but if you believe the stock that it is good and it can give you the return, I would definitely suggest to hold that stock.
Thank you.
I
Yes.
have a question.
Yes, tell me.
So I think the previous question also is in the same lines. Basically,
Yes.
I mean, as I'm a beginning positional trader, so we have problem in like we don't have exit strategies at hand. I think that's the problem. Even he was asking, and even I have. So because of this, I lost I lost exiting from Happiest Minds. So if you can open Happiest Minds stock. So I was holding it from 900 levels, and it went to 1500 as well. Okay, within no
Yes.
time. So I
Yes.
entered it patiently. I waited for some time. It burst out, but then before I exited, I was in confusion whether should I exit or I should let it run with the momentum. But before I took a decision, it just dropped to 1400 levels, and it's just consolidating there.
Yes.
So I mean, like I'm just explaining my view here. You can correct me if I'm right about. So if you take at day level, it breached. If you take a 3 hours level, because we were discussing super trade at 3 hours level, right? If you switch to 3 hours level, it actually breached. As in, I could
Yes.
have exited at I could have exited at that point, but I didn't. I mean, like because I didn't have knowledge, I didn't exit. But now, okay, for me it is actually showing in green now. For you, it is showing red, is it? I was
Yes, it
about
is showing
my
red.
question. Okay, for me it is actually showing.
You may have a
Cool,
different
okay.
indicator.
Okay.
It
Okay, is it
indicates
in
clearly
three?
the super
10 by,
trend.
is it in
This,
10 by 2.5? It is, yeah. I'm using super trend in 0 the only. But did you
okay,
use
fine.
the settings at 10 by 2.5? Yeah. Can you do to 10 by 2.5?
Yes, done.
Yeah. So if you see, now because anyway I lost the sell signal part, as in the trailing
Yes.
stop loss of sell. Now I'll wait with the green, trailing stop, the new state trailing stop loss. Correct, right?
Yes, you can wait. You can wait obviously
Okay.
with this new trailing stop loss. That is an
Yeah.
issue.
Just wanted to know your opinion. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah. Further, see this another thing I would like to add here.
Yeah.
See this indicator. This is not the fast forward rule. This is simply to give you an additional hand to help you come out of a trade and don't risk your earned profit. This is simply for that. But see, if you believe a stock that it can perform well, if you believe that the chart structure is good, even if this super trend trailing stop loss is give you an exit, and if you agree, if you believe, if you have that idea that this stock can perform well, you can wait. This is not necessary that you have to exit this once this is giving an exit. If you believe that this stock can do good, and if you have that conviction, no, I can bet
Yeah.
this, I can bet with this, you simply can go with this. This is simply an help. This indicator is simply an helping hand for you. This is a simply for so that you don't give your profits in this market.
Okay.
You
Do
don't have
you
to
have
blindly go with
any
this.
other? Yeah. Do you have any other suggestion for exit strategy? This is definitely a good one because I can see with Happiest Mind, I can clearly see that I could have probably exited at top and probably I could have taken a new position at the bottom. It is
Yes.
visible to me right now. If you know any other exit strategy, that would be helpful.
Any other exit strategy from a swing trade?
Yeah. So just like, or even not now, maybe in future you can let us know. Just in the exit strategies perspective, you can teach us probably some other techniques as well, other techniques at hand we can use.
Okay, fine. If I come out with some new strategies, I will definitely share with you all.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Mukund.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you look at the chart of Akash Explorations?
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm holding it from 129 levels, and I'm not.
129 levels.
Yeah,
That's very good.
from February I'm holding it. Is it good to sell it now?
Now see this. This is what I was telling you. Now you can simply see, if you see this super trend indicator. Now, if you can see this super trend indicator, you are seeing that it has already given you a sell signal. It has given you a sell signal, and you would have exited it, right? But now you can see that the chart is completely consolidating at a price of this level, price of 261 level, but it is not breaching this level of 254 levels. So I would simply suggest you to wait with this particular stop loss level. If you have not exited yet, I would simply suggest you to wait, because I am continuously seeing that there is a doji candle formation. There is a means very small body formation, and the next this candle is simply a green candle, and it is showing that there can be an up move. So you can simply take a small risk here and hold this stock with a stop loss of 254 levels on a closing basis, obviously, and let it run and don't exit it now. So that is what I was telling you. If you believe that if the chart is showing you a different thing, you can simply wait with your stop, and you should not exit simply on the basis of this super trend trailing stop loss concept. If you can obviously analyze from the chart, and if you can understand this chart, if you have that idea, then obviously you should go with the chart, and you should go with your conviction. But if you are not aware, you can simply follow the super trend indicator for exiting a trade once this trailing stop loss hits. But now I can see this you can obviously hold this trade. You can hold this trade with a stop loss of 254 levels on a closing basis. If that is breached, you can exit. But if you are a long-term investor, obviously you can change your time frame. Simply you can follow this 4 hours chart. Yeah, if you follow this 4 hours chart, obviously your risk will change. You can follow 3 hours chart, your risk will change. So it depends on you and your risk appetite how you follow this indicator. But in general, I have suggested you have to follow 3 hours chart, and that setting of 10 into 2.5.
So according to which is the best time frame for positional trading?
I positional trading means which is the best time from for taking
Time
a call
frame.
or for I'm not getting. It means for seeing a chart.
Yeah, sir.
I generally use weekly and monthly chart. I also see daily chart, but I use swing trade for daily chart, but positional trade I simply follow weekly and monthly chart. I find this monthly and weekly chart are very lovely thing to look at. Daily and 5 minutes and hourly chart are just a simple representation and nothing
Yeah, sir.
else.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone else? Any other query?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
No, you show your monitor Siaram Silk. Please help. I'm staying 4,000.
You can speak in Hindi. There is no issue. You can go with whatever language you are comfortable with. There is no issue. आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं. मैं हिंदी में explain कर
Thank you,
सकता
thank you.
हूँ. Yes, yes. Tell me. आप बताइए, हिंदी में बताइए.
4,000. इस समय एक्चुअली क्या करना चाहिए? सियाराम सिल्क में थोड़ा
सियाराम
4,000 में
सिल्क. एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. सियाराम सिल्क मिल्स और सियाराम सिल्क ओनली. ये.
सियाराम सिल्क ओनली.
Okay, सियाराम सिल्क. So this is सियाराम सिल्क, right? 410. यही ना? हाँ, तो आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? इसमें क्या करना है आपको? आप कितने पे बाय है
हाँ.
आपका? कितने पे
हेलो.
बाय है सर आपका? कितने पे सर बाय है आपका?
400.
400 सर. तो आप आराम से आप देखिए 400 पे बाय है, तो आप आराम से 400 का ही बाय है ना आपका, तो आप आराम से एक काम करें, स्टॉप लॉस लगा लें. ये 390 का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के वेट करें आराम से, कोई इशू नहीं. इसमें ज़्यादा रिस्क लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. 390 का स्टॉप लॉस, 390 बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉप लॉस है आपके लिए, काफ़ी है. 390 का स्टॉप लॉस के साथ आप आराम से वेट कर सकते हैं. बेटर है ये, मेरे हिसाब ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. आप आराम से 394 का स्टॉप लॉस फॉलो करें, ज़्यादा बेटर. ज़्यादा रिस्क हो जाएगा 390 का. 394 का स्टॉप लॉस के साथ आराम से वेट कीजिए. आई थिंक इसको रीच नहीं करना चाहिए.
Mukul, this is Shyam here. You have a lot of studies on your charts. Can you throw some light on these studies that you added to your chart? Like, for example, CPR, I never heard of it. And yeah, what is this VPVR? VPVR. Just about.
So obviously, yes. Obviously, I will come. You note all these things. We will definitely have a session on all these indicators. You note all these indicators, whatever I am following.
Oh,
Whatever I have, I am telling you, whatever I have, I will share it one by one with you all. I don't want to keep anything with me. I am ready to share everything, but obviously it will take time. I cannot share everything you right now only. So obviously, I will follow. I will do a means. I will do a session on RSI. I will do a session on moving averages. I will do a session on CPR. I will do an means session on means. I will take all these sessions. Don't worry. I will share you everything whatever I am following. I will give you all details. I am ready to share everything.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah. But since you have asked this CPR, no, CPR is simply आप ये CPR हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं. Do you understand हिंदी?
Yeah, I can follow.
हाँ, तो CPR हम लोग बेसिकली जब हम लोग बैंक निफ्टी का ट्रेडिंग करते हैं ना, बस हम उसके लिए CPR फॉलो. तो सेंट्रल पाइवट रेंज होता है एक्चुअली, इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग सेंट्रल पाइवट रेंज. तो ये इससे हम बेसिकली डिसाइड करते हैं ये कि आज क्या डे मार्केट क्या ट्रेंडिंग रहेगा या ट्रेंडिंग नहीं रहेगा. बस बेसिकली इससे हम यही पता करते हैं.
Oh.
Yes.
And on this super trend line, there is another symbol that we see, RSI LE -2 and other things, whatever +2. On the
RSI
green
this
line,
one?
no, the green line, the green buy line, super trend line. You see
Yes.
something called RSI LE.
I'm
Can you
not seeing
scroll?
where is RSI
Can you scroll to the left?
left?
Yeah.
Yes.
Still go to the left, or maybe you can just zoom it down. You can see.
This
Yeah,
one?
yeah, RSI LE -2. What does that mean?
No, this is actually an RSI strategy.
Oh, okay.
RSI strategy. This indicator, this RSI strategy you see.
Yeah. Okay.
This.
Okay, that's not related to super trend.
No, that is not. Any other query related to super trend and all this super trend trailing stop loss concept? I'm ready to answer.
So for us, for just trailing stop loss, we are not concerned with the red line at all, right? We are just concerned with the green line alone.
Yes, yeah, because we are not sorting any stock. We are simply buying a stock. We are not sorting a stock.
Oh, okay. So red line is
When
just
we
for
will
short.
sort, yeah, when we will sort a stock, no, we will follow this.
Okay. So you have a channel for options as well, right? Options and
Yeah, I
futures?
have a channel for options as well, but
It's not
after,
active.
not actually. I'm not active right now on options part. Basically, because there are almost 60% of beginners in our group right now.
Oh, okay.
There was a we have shared a form and we got the data that there are almost 60 to 65% beginners in our group. So I cannot go with those options, and they will obviously lose because they don't have the discipline and patience. So I cannot give them that options call, and they will obviously lose the money in this market. So basically, I'm waiting for them to develop those discipline and patience. And once they are done with that, we will definitely move to options part as well. Further, also I am busy with some other work right now. We'll definitely move on derivative parts as well. We will do options trade as well in future.
One other question, basically related to premium group. You said today is the last day. I'm already a premium member, but just I had a general question. So you are saying
Yes.
today is the last date for premium group. So what, you will not allow anybody to join later on? I mean, somebody
Yes,
who enters or
No, obviously I will not allow any person who will ask me to who want to join this premium group after this particular, it means today midnight. Actually, I don't want to keep involved myself in this particular thing only. I cannot keep myself involved in this premium thing. डेली मैं वही चीज़ नहीं कर सकता हूँ हर दिन की. हाँ ठीक है, प्रीमियम कोई बोलेगा बेनिफिट बताइए, कोई कुछ बताइए, तो मैं हर दिन वो नहीं कर सकता हूँ. आई हैव सम लिमिटेशन ऑल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट टाइम लिमिट कि आज. और दूसरी बात ये भी है कि मैं इस मंथ के लिए स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली इस मंथ से पहले जिन लोगों को जिनको लेना है ट्रेड, जिनको मतलब जो दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड, ऑब्वियसली दे कैन स्टार्ट ऑन द वेरी बिगनिंग. मैं उनको बीच में तो अलाउ नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have got allotment of Tattva Chintan IPO.
Yes.
So should I hold or sell it, sir? Can you please suggest?
Depends. See, if you can take risk, you can obviously wait with this this lower level. If you can take risk and if you believe that this stock, I personally have not analyzed completely about this stock. I don't know about the fundamentals or means I don't know about the means financial condition, or I have not seen its financial reports as well. So if you have researched about this company, you can wait obviously with this lower level as a stop loss. Or if you don't believe, if you means if you don't have conviction on this stock, you can switch to another stock. That is
So
the basic.
it is
But if you
very good, fundamentally good stock,
yes,
and I have strong conviction on that.
so obviously you can wait. Obviously you can wait. See. I means what is my perception about an IPO? An IPO is if an IPO is a very good, if a company is very good, I would generally apply for IPO and book profits on the listing day itself, and wait for at least 3 to 5 weeks or 7 weeks for a chart formation. And depending on the structure of the chart and the movement of the price, I will go again with that stock. So what I do is, if I apply for an IPO, I simply book a stock on its listing day itself and wait for a month for a chart formation, a healthy chart formation. If the chart is healthy, I will go with that stock. Simply what you will see, if there are many IPOs and there are many companies, you will see आईपीओ के दिन तो अच्छा किया, बट उसके बाद ऐसा फंसे रह गए कि आप फंसे रह जाएंगे उस कंपनी में। तो इसलिए मेरा ये मानना है, आई माई सेल्फ बिलीव कि आप लिस्टिंग के दिन बुक कर लें, 1 महीने का इंतजार करें, चार्ट बढ़िया से बन जाने दें, लेट द कंपनी फॉर्म हेल्दी चार्ट स्ट्रक्चर, एंड देन अगेन यू कैन ट्रेड दैट स्टॉक, देयर इज नो इशू.
That's fine.
This is my own view about an IPO.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Any other query?
Hey Mukund,
Yes.
I am asking, suppose we are trailing the SL and it crossed our second target, and then you revise the SL and target. So should we keep trailing the super trend, or we follow
Yes,
the
you can
revised?
follow super trend. I simply have to trail, means for now I was trailing the stop loss, just because you were not knowing this concept of super trend trailing stop loss. But since now I have introduced this concept to you, there is no need to follow any other thing. You will simply follow this super trend trailing stop loss concept after the first target is set. There is no other means और कुछ follow करने का जरूरत नहीं.
Okay, thanks.
और मेरा जो stop loss होगा, जो मैं revise करके दूंगा, that will simply depend on this super trend trailing stop loss concept only. It will not be different from that.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, yes. So I think means more of you means almost the video was all satisfactory, right? You almost everyone has got an understanding of what it is and how to use this. That's why I'm seeing very less queries. I was expecting tons of query. But what I can see is there are very few queries you are asking.
So can you look at the chart of Supreme Industries from past 3 to 4 days? It is trading at 2100 VWAPs.
Wait for another good green candle formation. The chart is obviously good. The chart is around a support. I would suggest wait for a good green candle above this particular body, this close. And it would be better if you get a close above this level, this 2148 level. If a candle closes above this 2148 levels, that would be a more safe entry.
Yes, sir, fine.
And if there would be a good volume as well. Yes.
Today you mentioned Vinati Organics. So could you please share the
Vinati
basis
Organics, yes.
Yeah. Could you please share the details why you selected it?
Vinati Organics, yes. Vinati Organics is a very good company fundamentally. Okay, and the company has posted a very good means the company has posted very good result. This June quarter result is a very good result. And further, you can see that the stock was consolidating and it has bounced here. And again, it was consolidating and again, it has bounced here. Obviously, I expect that the stock will open higher from this particular consolidation. This is basically a resistance level you can see if you see this chart. Means small resistance. It means this is not a major resistance level. This is a small resistance, but I think the price will open above this, and I think there will be a good volume. This is my own expectation because the
And when
results
you
are very
say
good. This
and when you
company
say
is
the
fundamentally
target
sound.
is sorry, yeah,
Yes,
understood.
tell me.
I understand that this company already is holding 65% of market share in their own portfolio
Yes. So
as well.
I have given this call based on my expectation and the result. Nothing else.
So when you say the target is 2500, what are the basis for this?
That is basically what I told you. I have an expectation from my own stock. What I am expecting from a stock, I want that return. I want that target. So I simply decide my own target. There is no fast forward route for a target. That
No,
should be based on, in general, that should be based on your risk reward ratio. But if a stock is performing well, if a stock is doing good in its operation, obviously you can increase your target. Means obviously you can expect a better return from a stock. So
okay,
if there
maybe I
is
ask the question in
a
other ways. When the stock is at already the all-time high, how do you
yes,
decide that what should be the next consolidation level, or what when we say when you give, let us say stock is already at all-time high, and then you say, okay, from here the 50 rupees more it will give us. Yeah, so how do you do that? Is there a trend analysis, or do we do let us say in the head and shoulder we see the height of the head, and then we do the reverse. So something like this, or this is purely the gut feeling, or how do you do?
yeah. I generally follow. First of all, I follow this risk reward ratio. I myself follow risk reward ratio, and there is a gut feeling. I have been doing this for last 2.5 years now, and I generally see that once a breakout happens, I generally see an up move of 20-25% in every stock. This is a general trend. If you see a breakout, if you see a healthy breakout, your stock is bound to move around 15-20% easily. So if I take a means also further, you will also see the reports that I have been sharing. My first target means my average first target is around 15-17%. So I have developed that average return, and I generally follow that only for upcoming stocks also. I expect a return of around 15-17% from every stock if I am taking a risk of 6%, 6-8%. This is my general trend for any call that I share. First return would be around 15-17% or above this, and second target would be around 25-28%. This is my general trend for a stock because I have seen this and I have also a report backing this target, so I can simply go with that also.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. No more queries. I hope this super trend trailing stop loss concept is clear to you. If you don't have any query, you can tell me. I can wind up this session. But if you have query, please ask me because time is very precious.
Do you feel sometimes with the super trend we shall also include the 14.3 as well, along
Sorry,
with okay, like currently you have given 10 2.5 for the super trend. Do
settings.
you in the
Okay.
settings? So do you also feel that we shall include one more super trend with 14.3? Does that give any benefit?
I have not back tested that thing. 14.3.
No, I mean to say you will keep the 10
Yes.
2.5 as it is, and you put one more super trend
Okay.
with a 14.3. You have to add one more,
Yes. Yes.
and then combination of two will it give any benefit?
Actually, I have not backtested that. I cannot tell you anything about that. I have not backtested that if it will help or not. So if you think that it can do good, you can backtest it and then you can share it with us also.
Okay, I
That
will
will
do so.
help us as well.
Because I sometime did that and it helped. I
Okay, so
will
you
make
can
a
please,
video
you
and
can
I'll
obviously
watch
you
the
can
video.
share it with me directly, or you can share it in group as well.
Sure, I
And I
will
will
do so.
obviously go with that, and means I will obviously see it up and see if it can help me as well. And obviously,
Okay,
if it works nice, then we are ready to share it with all.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Hello. Hello. I am a beginner for this stock market. Actually, you were
What's your
explaining
name?
about
What's your name?
Manu. Manu.
Oh, yes, man. Okay.
I am a beginner, but where will you get all these charts? How to log in for this? I think you're logging in.tradingview.com, right?
Yes, yes.
Where?
Mukund,
How
one
can I log
question.
in that?
You can simply search Trading View, right? You can simply search Trading View on Google.
Okay.
Yes, you can go. You can go at, yeah. You can follow this. Yes. So we are here, and you can create an account, and then you can start your own charting.
Okay.
So Mukund, in the beginning you mentioned you are not bullish on Reliance. Recommend at this level. Having so
No,
many news
actually, I'm. The stock is completely in a consolidation, so that is
consolidation.
why I'm not. Actually, I'm not bullish on all index stocks as of now, because the full index is in consolidation. So I won't suggest any index. Further, you will see that this mid caps and small caps are doing very well as of now.
Understood.
What the
But
return we are expecting, what the return we are getting from mid caps and small caps, the large caps are not providing that particular return or that set of return for the same
noted.
risk if we are taking. So
But
why
don't
go
you
for
think so? Having so many positive news around, like they are acquiring Just Dial or many more news related to Geo, will push it up.
so if the this is no, that is why I'm means price is the best indicator in this market. Price, what I'm saying, price is the best indicator in this market. If you follow the price, price will tell you everything. न्यूज अगर मार्केट में नहीं भी है ना तो प्राइस आपको बता देगा.
Okay.
न्यूज अगर है मार्केट
Can
में
we
तो भी
open
आपको
the
प्राइस
Reliance
बताएगा.
chart? Can we have
Yeah,
a look
sure,
upon it?
sure. Means if there is anything to happen in Reliance, the price will let you know definitely.
Okay, as we're closing Vinithia Organics, is there a chance for entry now in Vinithia Organics at any level?
Obviously, yes, I shared this Vinati Organics call yesterday itself on means
Okay, I
on
joined
Saturday.
today.
On
Okay,
Saturday. Yeah,
we'll check.
Saturday. So you can buy it on Monday. Yes, tell me, who was asking this Reliance?
Yeah, this was Sahil. So
Yes, I.
don't you see a inverse head and shoulder, or it is my
Inverse head and shoulder on daily chart, weekly chart. This chart.
this chart?
How are you telling this as an inverse head and shoulder?
I was actually currently on phone, so I just thought somewhere around between May and June. So this pattern.
May and June. This no, I don't see this.
Okay, could be my mistake. Can you just guide on this chart a little bit? How do you feel this is moving? Yeah.
Can you say that it's a double bottom, double top formation?
You can say this is a double top formation. You can say that if you move back, yeah, if you go to this weekly chart, now you can say that there is a double bottom formation. Means that see, this is a very means debatable topic. This technical indicator or technical analysis is a very debatable topic. You can not completely rely on this technical analysis every time. This technical analysis changes based on this this chart pattern. if आप अगर हम 15-45 मिनट के चार्ट पे आ जाए तो कुछ और दिख जाएगा. 1 घंटा के चार्ट पे आएंगे, you can see it completely different thing. If you move to 1 month chart, you will see different thing. So you cannot completely rely on this technical analysis. That's why we generally don't follow, or we generally don't go with only technical calls. I generally back myself. I generally see the fundamental first and then the technical thing, and then only take a trade. I generally don't go with the technical things only. I have my calls backed by fundamentals, and that's why I think my accuracy is more than as compared to all those who generally take trade based on technical analysis only. If you go first by the fundamentals and then by the technicals, that would help you more as compared to when you go by technicals and then fundamentals. In this case,
Okay.
I would be ready to take a trade only above this, this consolidation, this consolidation range, this range. If we see a very good breakout above this price level, then only I will initiate a call in Reliance. Otherwise, I am not ready to take any trade in this script.
And if somebody is holding, they shall respect the super trend.
Obviously, they can hold with super trend trailing stop loss, or if they have a gut, or if they can wait long, there is no issue. Obviously, we know Reliance can do very different thing in future. There is a very bright future for Reliance. So you can wait if you are a long-term investor. But if you are a positional investor or a positional trader, I would definitely suggest you to follow this super trend trailing thing.
Okay. And anything on, can we see any chart of Adani Enterprises, Adani Port, or Adani Total Gas?
Obviously, you can see super this super trend indicator will give you a very see this super trend trailing concept. This is the beauty. If you come to this daily chart, आप इसमें देखिए कि आपको एग्जिट कहाँ मिल रहा है। अगर आप सुपर ट्रेंड फॉलो कर रहे हैं, देखिए क्या परफेक्ट एग्जिट मिल रहा है आपको। 1500 के लेवल पे लगभग आपको एग्जिट मिल गया। और क्या चाहिए, अगर हम इसको अभी हम इफ वी मूव टू 3 आवर्स चार्ट, यू विल सी द ब्यूटी, see the beauty. This indicator has given you an exit at the topmost level almost, and it is still in very much consolidation zone. So I am not giving any entry right now. I will not give you any entry. I will wait for a very good sign on the chart, then only I will move. I will take an initiation.
Yeah, just FYI, in 3 or 4 days, there are Adani results, enterprises and ports. So we can take call based on that. People who are already holding.
Yes, we will wait for that one. Yes.
Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Anyone else? Please go on if you have any query.
Yes, sir. Actually, I had a query.
Yes.
Can you shift to the chart of automotive axles?
Excellent. Again, this is a very good company. Very good result. Yes.
So on the 3-hour time frame, from 1st June till I guess 2nd of July, we are getting sell signal, and then it's constantly flickering between buy and sell. So what should we do in these times?
No, when do you have to follow this super trend trailing stop loss?
When we took a trade, and then we have to trail our trade till ultimate target, right?
You have to follow this super trend trailing stop loss concept only after we get our first target. Only after we get our first target. I have given you a buy signal based on my own conviction, based on the chart, but you don't have to follow this super trend trailing stop loss even means till it reaches its first target. So we are not following this indicator as of now. We will wait for it to get the target, first target, and then we will follow this indicator.
Okay. So my question was if we see on the 3-hour time frame, it gives many flickering results. Okay, now it's buy, and 4 days after it's
that is that is why I don't. You please complete your question, then I will.
On the 1 day, the daily time frame, please. I guess that's more of a smooth. I mean, it gives at a perfect place where you can sell, I guess.
But your risk will increase, no? Your risk will be, means if you follow the means the trailing stop loss concept on a daily basis, your risk will be around 15 to 16% from the current market price. If the current market price is moving around 100 levels, your trailing stop loss would be around 84 levels, or so you might not be in that position to risk around 15-16%. Will you be ready to pay 15-16%? I don't think so. No one will be. Yes, so that is why we don't follow that daily thing. Long
Okay.
investors, those who are long-term investors, they can follow obviously that daily chart, and that might help them obviously. But we as a general trader, we as a positional and swing trader, we will obviously stick to this 3 hours chart and that 10 and 2.5 settings
Okay.
for a
Thank you,
reasonable
sir.
trailing stop loss. That would range around 7 to 8%. That is basically acceptable thing.
Okay, okay, sir.
Any more queries?
Mukund, this is Archana again.
Yes, tell me.
So you were telling about the continuous watching of stocks for right entry, but what was
Yes.
I was asking about that is the portfolio creation. Like for positional and swing and all, we should have different stocks in our portfolio. So
Yes.
the starting. So will you give some ideas for starting a portfolio, that is creating a portfolio? So how to if should we go by sector wise, or should we go behind the news, or something like that?
I means, see, there are two ways, down up approach and up down approach. This, what is down up approach and what is up down approach? Down up approach is, means you basically go with the sector. पहले हम लोग सेक्टर डिसाइड करते हैं कि किस सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट करना है, एंड देन वी डिसाइड द स्टॉक, विच स्टॉक टू गो. दिस इज डाउन अप अप्रोच. नीचे से हम लोग जड़ से, रूट से हम लोग पहले डिसाइड करते हैं, रूट से बात करते हैं. बट व्हाट आई फील, आई गो विथ अप डाउन अप्रोच. आई बेसिकली गो विद द स्टॉक. मैं स्टॉक का फंडामेंटल देखता हूँ. इफ द स्टॉक हैज द कैपेबिलिटी टू परफॉर्म, आई जनरली गो विद दैट. आई डोंट see see, I obviously check the sector, but I believe if the stock has the potential to perform well, I am ready to take the risk. So if you ask my view, I would say select stocks, go study about the stocks. Obviously sector plays a crucial role, but if the stock has the potential, obviously, means what I mean to say that the stock is what is helping the sector to perform. That means this stock is a representation, means stock completely, means if you combine different stocks, then only it is becoming a sector, right?
Yes, I
So
understand.
if the stocks,
That is what I am asking. That some stocks are performing very good, but
yes,
most of but for every trader there will be a different set of stocks. For
yeah,
you there will be something different, and for other trader he'll have some different stocks. So to select something, should be selected from NSE, or to select that stock? No, that's what I'm asking.
you can select those stocks on your stock screen. You are asking about stock screening?
Yeah.
Means how to select a stock,
Yeah,
that you ask, right?
that's what I'm asking. Yes.
For example, okay, so for example, you can take this Vinati Organics. Why I have selected this Vinati Organics? Can you understand this concept? If I have selected this Vinati Organics, I've told you why I have selected this. I know that this stock is good, fundamentally good. I saw that the company has posted a very good result. So obviously, I expect a good move in the price.
Yeah,
So
but Vinity
in this,
Organics, it belongs to a chemical industry or a fertilizer industry.
yes,
Okay. So from that thing, there might be around 200 or 300 stocks, and most of which might be performing good. So we have to analyze.
so in that thing, yeah. Okay, so you are asking means if there are 200 stocks performing, and how to select among those stocks, right?
Yes, exactly.
So in those stocks, in means if you have a bundle of stocks, suppose, and you have to make a selection, in all those, I generally prefer the chart structure. If I would go with only that stock which has the highest, means which has the healthiest chart structure formation, or which means I will go with those chart which I feel is more interesting to me. For example, I will share you, means I will tell you two structure. One is this cup and handle formation, and the another one is this double bottom formation. These two thing, cup with handle or cup without handle, or this double bottom formation, these two or three structure chart structure setup has the highest probability in this market, has the highest probability, highest success probability in this market. So if you select those stocks, so you will see, means I you will, if you open my trading view means analysis, uh, trading view analysis, you will see that mainly I have posted most of my stocks are with cup and handle pattern, or cup without handle pattern, or double bottom formation. You will see only all these stocks. So why are all these? Because all these stocks, means cup and handle pattern is the oldest pattern, or is the oldest pattern, and has the highest accuracy in all this market. So if you see a stock among all those which is having a cup and handle pattern, you definitely should go with that stock. You should find, means what I mean to say is, you should go with that stock which has the highest, or which has the healthiest chart structure. जिसका चार्ट सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा है, मैं उसको प्रेफर करता हूँ. वही मैंने
Okay.
बोला ना कि if the fundamentals are good among 100 stocks, if 100 stock has the very means highest fundamental or good fundamentals, I will now filter those stocks on technical basis.
Okay, okay. For chart analysis, would you suggest a time frame? Will it be better if we look at it in a 1 day or a week for positional and swing?
Yeah,
Method?
you go with weekly and monthly chart. Cup and handle formation on weekly and monthly chart is the best chart I would suggest you.
Okay,
If you
thank you,
see a
thank
cup
you,
and
thank you.
handle formation on weekly charts and monthly chart, that is the best thing you can have in your portfolio. They can obviously give you wonders. They can do wonders. For example, I can share you. Yeah, for example, I can share you many chart structures that
I
once
have
has broken out of.
Yeah, I have one stock. I'm just thinking it is a cup formation. Can you just look at HEG? So I wanted to ask this question, but
HEG.
it's
Yes,
also
yes.
matching
I
with
have this stock
HEG.
in my portfolio.
Perfect.
You
Okay.
will see. I will tell you. I have this stock in my portfolio in this fourth watch list. Let me check if I am having that stock as of now. You see.
You remember the watch list number
HEG.
also?
Yes, yes. I remember the watch list number also. Actually, I told you, I am continuously watching everything. I have a maintenance.
मतलब इसका
आदत
कोई
हो गया
पैटर्न
हमको
है
अब इस
कि
चीज की.
ये स्टॉक्स इसी वॉच लिस्ट में होगा ऐसा? Like I have
नहीं नहीं
like
नहीं,
that.
ऐसा
So
नहीं,
do
ऐसा
you
नहीं
also
है
have?
वो.
Okay.
हाँ, अब इसमें भी मैंने, या आई हैव filtered that thing also.
Okay.
This second watch list I have kept for new editions. I will make a new edition on this watch list only. Means yes, means
Okay.
नया जो result post कर रहा है, I have just see Vaibhav Global, I have given the call, I have added here. So new calls I am adding. This gives me, means I have set all these things on my own basis, ताकि मुझे याद रहे कि हाँ मैं कहाँ कौन सा स्टॉक डाल रहा हूँ.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So HEG, you know. Let me
Yeah, HEG weekly pay. I see a kind of a cup and handle. So you can correct me. HEG weekly. Is it?
So you want to draw. Yes, you can draw it. There is no issue. Obviously,
Okay.
you can draw a cup from here to here, and then you will see this handle formation. There is no issue. Yes, you can say that this is the cup and handle formation.
Okay.
And
Cool.
obviously, you see this consolidation is a very you see this consolidation means there is a very good
Yeah.
volume
Yeah.
creation.
Yeah.
Means there was a
I'm
perfect
expecting a breakout.
accumulation. Yes, obviously, that is why I have added this stock in my watch list too. You can see this that there has been a very good accumulation. These volumes on the chart is showing that there has been a very good accumulation in this counter, and the stock is now again consolidating. This consolidation does not mean that the stock is being avoided. This means that the big players
Yeah.
are adding stocks slowly, so that
At
they
lower
get
prices.
yeah. So their average price does not differ. They want to have this stock at this particular price range, so that their average price is at the same level. So that is why they don't want to move the price up. They want to accumulate it first, and then they will carry the stock upward. So
Okay.
this is what we call, this is also an accumulation zone. The big players are accumulating in a range, and once we get a breakout out of this range, we will obviously get a very good movement if the volume is supported.
Cool.
Yeah. Anything else? Anyone? Actually, do you know, I simply means मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बात करके, बहुत मजा आता है। आई लर्न डिफरेंट थिंग्स। आई एक मोटिवेशन सा लगता है आप लोगों से बात करके, इसलिए मुझे सेशन करने में ज़्यादा मजा आता है।
Thanks, Mukund. Yeah.
Yeah.
Session was
Anyone
completely
else?
helpful.
Anyone else? Can
It is always a pleasure talking to you, Mukund. Thank you very much.
oh, same here, same here.
Mukund, one issue. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yes,
Uh,
yes. Tell me.
Actually, I joined late. The recording will be available on this our group.
For this particular
Yeah,
session.
today's session. Actually, I
Yeah,
joined
actually,
late.
I have recorded this. Yeah, I have told no. I have given a announcement that I will be doing something for all those who have voted for 7 p.m. I will share them this recording link. I am going to upload this recording on YouTube, and I will share them that link, and they can obviously watch all the.
Okay. Please definitely do it.
that
Please
has
do
been-
it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
So another stock that I would like to bring in your focus is Bliss GVS Pharma. It had not been
Yes. Somebody was also talking about this stock, Bliss GVS.
yeah, but it had been like
Around the lowest level, right?
40% correction had been within 2 days. 20% lower circuit applied, and from 3 months it has been under a near range consolidation. And now the quarterly results are, I guess, 2 to 3 times the profit has been jumped. So I guess if the consolidation, the price breaks 116, it is ready for an up move.
116, right?
Yeah, 116, 117 closing basis.
See, obviously you are saying that this result has been very good, but if you see this chart structure, I am not at all currently I am not at all interested with this chart structure, because I am not seeing any good accumulation. Means there is no green candle, very good green candle, that is suggesting me that this stock has been accumulated, or this stock has been added by a big player. So I further, this chart structure is not at all positive. This chart structure still shows that the stock is in a negative trend. मीन्स अगर आप इसको डेली चार्ट पे देखेंगे तो आपको डाउन ट्रेंड मिलेगा, अप ट्रेंड में नहीं ये चार्ट। बट सो इसलिए मैं बोलूँगा, मीन्स यहाँ पे साइकोलॉजी समझने की बात है। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द साइकोलॉजी। You know, means if there was, if the stock is giving, if this stock has posted a very beautiful return, don't you think that the people who are big players, they don't know about the financial results a company is going to post? Obviously they know all the internal news about a company, about a stock. They have all these things. If they were knowing about this stock, that this stock is going to perform well, or this stock is going to give a better result, they would have added this stock at the lowest level itself. But if they are not adding this stock, there might be some issue. That this there might obviously there might not be an issue in the short run, but there might be an issue in a long run. There could be some reason. There could be some reason, obviously. So you can see there has not been a very good accumulation. You are seeing that there is a complete red volume. Further, the chart is also means not that positive. If you ask my view, I would not agree. I am not agree to go with this stock, even if it closes above 1160. I would definitely go with other stock. And I think this is what the reply was in the group. Somebody asked me. I think you only asked me, or anyone else asked me about this stock.
Okay.
And when I went opened this chart, I simply answered that I am not interested in this stock. I have many more stocks which are going to give me better returns as compared to this stock. So I won't go with this stock
Sure,
because
sure,
I
sure.
don't see any very good accumulation in this stock.
Yeah,
That
even the
is,
finances from the past some years are not doing very well. So,
yes, yes.
but I just sort of an insight over this. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with your view. There is no issue. So I think we have done a session of around 2 hours completely. We are around five. We are the time is almost 5 now. Any more queries left, or I think I should wind this session. If you have, please be quick because I want to just because the means the uploading I will have to upload this video, and I think it is going to exceed the limit of around 5 GB approx. Will more than 5 GB recording. That means so. If you have any query, please quickly ask me, or I will wind this session for today. Anyone any query? Please go with it right now. Quick. So okay, thank you. I think no one has any more queries left. I think I have added you a new idea, the super trend trailing stop loss concept, by the video and with this query and answer session. I think this would help you in futures and with the trades that we are giving you. Please work on this super trend trailing stop loss. Please look at all those trades that you have already taken before and you have exited well before the target which you could have got and you have not booked that. And also you can track all those calls which I have already posted in my Telegram channel. And you can also share your views on different stocks, or if you can manage to get a new means new strategy on this super trend trailing stop loss thing, obviously please share with us. If that will be beneficial for all, I will definitely come up with that for all with a new video. So please keep supporting us, keep helping us, and I am always there to help you all. I love talking to you, and I will definitely come up with all those sessions possible, and I will share everything which I have in me. I'm ready to share everything which I have. Thank you so much. Wish you all a very good Sunday. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thanks a
Thank you,
lot.
Mukund.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Bye bye.